When we camp, a big part of camping is eating. You get hungry because you're just sitting around at times and you're chilling out and you have to cook. You have to cook fresh foods. So I'm chopping some onions here. We are going to use it to make a garden egg soup, right? And it's going to be yum, 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 yum. One of my pastimes is cooking. I like making food. These onions are actually from my garden. Organic onions, planted them this year, just harvested them. They are fresh, full of vitamins and ready to go. You have to learn how to cook. It's not a bad idea to make your own food because you actually know what you're putting inside.